let's learn how to say thank you. We'll start with the longest version, which is どうもありがとうございます。どうもありがとうございます。どうもありがとうございます。You can't go wrong with this one. It's very polite and you can use it in pretty much every situation where you need to show your appreciation. Now that you've done the hardest part, let's see how we can play with this phrase. Now, because it's pretty long, the most common way would be to remove どうも and simply keep ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。Watch out because sometimes I hear people say it so fast that it sounds like あざす。あざす。ありがとうございます。あざす。Now, some people might also hear ありがとうございました when they're leaving a restaurant, for example. They'll just remember it like that and repeat it as is. ありがとうございました is the past tense of ありがとうございます and they each have a proper timing. So when you're leaving a restaurant, waiters thank you for your visit and the food you ate, which is in the past. But when you receive a gift, make sure to show your appreciation in the present tense. ありがとうございます. In a casual context, you don't need to worry about that because you can just get rid of the final ございます or ございました and simply say ありがとう、ありがとう、ありがとう. Another short way to say thank you, which is more polite than simply ありがとう, is to keep only the first part. どうも、どうも、どうも. If you want to say thank you so much, you may say 本当にありがとうございます。本当にありがとうございます。本当にありがとうございます。or 本当にありがとう。本当に means really. And as you can hear, I'm really insisting when I'm saying it, so use it for very big gifts or services. Another very natural way to say thank you is to actually say sorry, which is すみません。すみません。すみません. It comes from the verb sumu, meaning being enough or to be complete. I would usually use that one with an act of service, like a waiter at the restaurant pouring water. すいません. And as you can probably hear, sumi gets reduced quite easily, and so most of the time you'll hear or say すいません. すいません. すいません instead of すみません. Then we have 感謝します. 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 Now, this expression is the equivalent of I am grateful in English, so you'll usually use it in a speech. Kansha means gratitude. And you see by adding shimasu from the verb suru, it makes it a verb. Now, if you want to sound cool or cute, you can just use the one borrowed from English, but make sure to adapt your accent to Japanese. Sankyu. 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 Just a little note about linguistic diversity in Japan. If you visit the Kansai area, which you should, that's where Osaka and Kyoto are located, you might encounter people saying Ookini. Ookini, Ookini, to say thank you. It's good to know if you want to impress the locals. We saw itadakimasu before starting your meal, and after finishing it, you'll say ごちそうさまでした. 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 And that one you'll only use with food. So we have go and sama, the honorific affixes. ごちそう means a treat or a feast, and deshita is the past tense of desu. So you're literally saying it was a feast. And it's a way to thank the cook for the meal. So let's recap the main ways to say thank you. どうもありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございました。本当にありがとうございます。ありがとう。すみません。or すいません。感謝します。いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。Thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you found this helpful, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more content like this. じゃあまたね。